Oh, I'm afraid.
Oh, see,
Tichka.
hit the gas instead of the brake. That's right. Yeah, I saw one time. Yeah, she hit.
ATV is not my thing. I'm too scared. You control stone, huh? Cycling, you have full control of the bike, but here,
Yeah, you control the bike with your hand.
oh my god, it's really bulky, very bulky, and I'm always afraid that if I turn, it's gonna flip over.
You gotta go fast. Come on, Ma. It's always take a slow.
With my accident, and then one of my cousin who died because of this thing flip over and